Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you my first impressions of the Dell XPS 13. Now, this is a laptop that I got for my wife to replace her old one. So I was getting a 13.3 inch to replace a 13.3 inch. Here's the thing, my first impression was really amazing. Now that I got it side by side, I saw the new one at CES this past year, but there's nothing like seeing it side by side with another 13 inch just to see how far it's come. So we have this, and then we have, not the easiest to open with one hand, that's the only downside, this. So a huge difference in size immediately. And it's just really interesting to see how different they really can look because of the fact that it's just such a bezel-less design over these past years, how much we've gotten that. So it's really kind of cool to see just the difference of that and see how much less we get because of the bezels and how much that really perfects it. It's really just something to see and behold, because when I showed it to her, she was like, why is it so much smaller than my current computer? I wanted the same screen. And I'm like, but you have it. It's just so much smaller. That and the carbon fiber touch that I did check out at CES really was impeccable. Now, this is not the 2018 version, however, I will let you know. It is the 2017 version. So I got last year's model. I got her an i7 processor because her i5 in her old Lenovo was running really slow. And it just so happened that DellOutlet.com had a really great promotion, 17% off their already discounted prices. Not a plug or anything like that, it's just, I was really impressed by that. So I was like, okay, might as well get it now. And lo and behold, it's really worked out well. I love the speed of this computer. It's something that, you know, pretty much rivals my own computer, except for a non-dedicated graphics card, and 8 gigs RAM is plenty for her as opposed to the 16 that I would have on mine. But overall, it's just a really nice, I love the touch of it, that touch carbon fiber. It's the best feeling laptop, I would say, I have had in terms of the inside of it. Just the palm rest really feels good. And overall, the lightweightness is good. It is kind of dense, so it is heavier than, even I would say it felt heavier, not to say that it is, because I'm not positive on this, but than the Razer Ultrabook that we had used before. It feels heavier just because it's very dense. Overall though, really love the feeling of this, really interested in the full review coming up. I'm gonna test it, put it through its paces, and really see if this as a daily driver would be a great buy. Now, I am more of a fan, if you don't need the best of the best, you should check out last year's laptops. Things with i7 processors from last year would be a really great buy, especially if you're just looking for an all-day kind of computer. This, for instance, I got for about 650 bucks. When this was first out, it was over 1,300. So big difference there, and a lot of bang for your buck if you just go to last year's generation. And really, if that's all you need, you can get a lot. All right, guys, thank you as always for watching. Let me know what you think. Have you ever used the Dell XPS 13? Are there other laptops that I should take a look at? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.